Welcome to the channel. If you're a beginner trader looking for a simple, effective, and proven trading strategy that you can rely on every time, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step, easy-to-follow strategy that works across Forex, stocks, and crypto markets. Whether you want to trade part-time or full-time, this strategy will help you build confidence and consistency in your trading. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share important risk management tips and common beginner mistakes to avoid. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any valuable trading tips. Why do most beginners fail? Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. The harsh reality is about 90% of beginners fail within their first year, but why? Here are some common reasons: lack of a clear, tested strategy. Many jump into the market without a plan. Poor risk management, risking too much on single trades or no stop losses. Emotional decision-making, fear and greed drive bad trades. Overtrading, taking too many trades without quality signals. Ignoring the market context and blindly following tips or signals. This strategy is designed to tackle all these issues by giving you clear rules, risk controls, and a system to follow step by step. The core of the strategy, moving average crossover plus RSI confirmation. Now let's dive into the heart of the strategy. We will use the popular technical tools. 1. Moving average crossover. 2. Relative strength index RSI. Moving average crossover explained. Moving averages smooth out price data and help identify the trend. We will use the exponential moving averages EMAs, a fast EMA with a period of 9, a slow EMA with a period of 21. When the 9 EMA crosses above the 21 EMA, it indicates a potential uptrend. Conversely, when the 9 EMA crosses below the 21 EMA, it suggests a downtrend. This crossover gives us our initial trade signal: buy or sell. Why RSI? The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements, typically over 14 periods. RSI values range from 0 to 100. Above 50 indicates bullish momentum. Below 50 indicates bearish momentum. By confirming our EMA crossover signal with RSI, we reduce false entries and improve trade accuracy. Setting up your chart and indicators. Here's how to prepare your chart for this strategy. Open your preferred trading platform, TradingView, MetaTrader, etc. Select your market, Forex pairs, stocks, or cryptocurrencies. Set your time frame. Beginners should use 15-minute or 1-hour charts for clearer signals. At the 9-period EMA fast and the 21-period EMA slow on the price chart. Add the RSI indicator with the standard 14-period setting and mark the midpoint at 50. Make sure you can clearly see the crossovers and RSI levels. How to take trades, entry, stop loss, and take profit. Entry rules by trade. Enter when the 9 EMA crosses above the 21 EMA and RSI is above 50. Sell trade. Enter when the 9 EMA crosses below the 21 EMA and RSI is below 50. Important, enter only after the crossover candle closes to confirm the signal. Stop loss placement. Protecting your capital is the most important part of trading. For buy trades, place your stop loss just below the recent swing low. For sell trades, place your stop loss just above the recent swing high. This placement gives your trade enough room to breathe while limiting losses if the market reverses. Take profit targets, aim for a minimum risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. For example, if your stop loss is 50 pips, set your take profit at 100 pips. Alternatively, use major support and resistance levels to set take profit zones. Trailing stop loss as your trade moves in profit, consider moving your stop loss to break even when you hit half your target. This locks in profits and reduces risk. Risk management, the key to long-term success. Even the best strategies fail without good risk management. Here's how to manage risk. Never risk more than 1–2% of your trading capital on a single trade. Calculate your position size based on your stop-loss distance and your risk percentage. Use a position size calculator available online or integrated in many platforms. Avoid revenge trading. If you lose a trade, take a break and stick to the plan. Proper risk management helps you survive losing streaks and stay in the game for the long run. Common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Entering trades without confirmation. Waiting for both EMA crossover and RSI confirmation avoids false signals. Don't rush to enter just because EMAs cross. Mistake 2. Ignoring stop losses. Always set your stop loss. Trading without a stop loss is gambling, not trading. Mistake 3. Overtrading. Stick to your signals and avoid chasing the market. Quality over quantity is key. Mistake 4. Letting emotions control your trades. Fear and greed lead to bad decisions. Follow your rules strictly and develop discipline. Mistake 5. Trading without a plan. Have a written trading plan that you follow every day. This keeps you organized and focused. Practice makes perfect using a demo account. Before trading with real money, practice this strategy on a demo account. Demo accounts simulate real market conditions without risking your capital. Practice entering trades, placing stops, and managing profits. Keep a trading journal to track your trades, mistakes, and improvements. Once you're consistent and confident, start small with real money. Strategy adaptations and tips for different markets. This strategy works on Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. For Forex, use 15-minute or 1-hour charts. For stocks, daily charts also work well for longer-term trades. For crypto, 15-minute and 1-hour charts are ideal due to volatility. Adjust your stop-loss size and take profit targets based on market volatility. Trading is a journey. Success won't come overnight, but with patience, discipline, and the right strategy, you can make consistent profits. Remember, no strategy guarantees 100% wins. Losses are part of trading. The key is to manage risk and stay consistent. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving every day. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share with fellow traders, and subscribe for more trading strategies and tips. Leave your questions or video requests in the comments below. I'd love to help you on your trading journey. Happy trading and see you in the next video. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment or trading decisions. The creator is not a licensed financial advisor and does not guarantee any profits or outcomes from following the information in this video.